In the continuing saga of legal troubles for the former Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan, the latest is of course a case that alleges that his marriage with Bushra Bibi is quote-unquote un-Islamic. Now, Pakistani High Court has now held back its verdict on a petition quashing the allegations. In November 2023, the Islamabad High Court had heard the case that was filed by Bibi's former husband, Khawar Maneka. Now, the case had alleged that the jailed leader, that is Imran Khan, had married his wife while she was in her waiting period after the divorce. And according to the Sharia law, the waiting or the iddat period lasts about 90 days post-divorce. Now, the former Prime Minister's party, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, had said that the case was solely to humiliate the petitioners. The party counsel Salman Akram Raja has also claimed that the case was filed nearly 6 years after their marriage. And on the other hand, Khawar Maneka has claimed that Bushra Bibi had married Imran Khan when her marriage with him had not ended. Separately, former Prime Minister Imran Khan and his wife, remember, have been sentenced to 14 years of rigorous imprisonment over the Tosha Khana corruption case. Now, to give us more updates on this, we're being joined in by our Pakistan Bureau Chief Anas Malik, who's joining us live from Islamabad at this moment. Good evening to you, Anas. Tell us, what is this case all about and what does it actually mean for Imran Khan?
Well, at this point of time, this case is currently ongoing inside the Adiala jail. Yet last night, they had a marathon hearing for about 10 hours. This case pertains to Bushra Bibi, the wife of Imran Khan, marrying out of the religious time period, the waiting period, marrying out of iddat to Imran Khan, which of course is a crime both in terms of Islam via Sharia and in the Pakistani law as well. That is the case. The case is of very serious in nature because that would also essentially mean disqualification, a jail imprisonment in case if there is a conviction. That being said, there were some exchange of hot words last night during the hearing between Khawar Maneka, Bushra Bibi's ex-husband, and Imran Khan's lawyer, where they almost had a fist fight, as what the reports, if the reports are to be believed. As we speak, the hearing is currently ongoing in the Adiala jail. The case was first filed last year by Khawar Maneka, that is who is Bushra Bibi's former husband. Saleh?
Now, what is interesting, Anas, is that the PTI members are saying that this is a case that has been filed several years after the marriage between Imran Khan and Bushra Bibi. Why is, the former husband of Bushra Bibi, why has he now filed the case now?
Well, that is a question that even Khawar Maneka has failed to answer. Even yesterday, when he alleged things on Imran Khan, saying that he was seeing Bushra Bibi while they were still in a relationship, while she was still married, and he alleged of having the two an illicit affair. Imran Khan said that, why are you coming forward 6 years later, though he also refuted these allegations. That is a question that nobody, including Khawar Maneka, has been able to answer yet. The intent of the case is something is what makes it very dubious, but at the same time, the charges are very serious of nature. That is the reason the case is being pursued in the light of the charges and the evidence that is at hand. Saleh?
All right, and my quick final question to you, Anas, is, let's because at this moment it is still speculative because the case is still ongoing. But what is the kind of penalty that Imran Khan and his wife Bushra Bibi face if they are convicted in this case?
Well, 3 different counts. First is disqualification that has been set for a stability time period, but in case if that was not the case, then that could have been for life. That is number 1. Number 2, it can be rigorous imprisonment, and number 3, there can be at least between 3 years till up to 14 years of life imprisonment for Imran Khan and Bushra Bibi, for the two of them, for violating the law and marrying something that is beyond the Sharia compliance and Sharia regulations. Saleh?
All right, Anas, thank you very much indeed for joining us and getting us those details. We'll of course come back to you as more details emerge in the story. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.